Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove background in CapCut PC. And right now, as you can see, I'm currently in CapCut, and let's get started. So I have a sample, some pixels here, or some videos to work with. I'm gonna drag down the main subject, the guy, or the person I want to remove the background with. Now once it's uploaded on the timeline, I can just do my thing here. I can remove the sound because I don't need that, and just highlight this one and check your tools on the left side or right side rather, and go to basic. Make sure it's gonna be in video and basic, and under this one you'll see cutout. Click on cutout and you'll see auto cutout right there. So this feature is for free, so you don't have to pay for subscription just yet. So click on that option right there, and right now it's gonna be processed. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back, and right now as you can see the video has been completely removed its background. I can move it as I please here, I can minimize it as I please. Or you can also minimize it on this option right here where there's basic and scaling. But for me, I rather choose this one. Anyway, once it's removed, it's gonna be your choice here. You can add any background of your choice. I have a lot of backgrounds here. I have two, one for beach and one for a fall or a spring. I don't know quite sure about that. Anyway, if you might ask me where I got this one, please stay at the end of the video and I'll show you where website that I got them. So I'm gonna use this beach right here, place it right there, wait for it to load up. As you can see right now, it's not showing up exactly. Where is it? Make sure it's gonna be aligned. As you can see, it's not perfectly aligned on the left side. Just make sure it's aligned, and right now our guy has vanished rather. So I'm just gonna fit the screen right now. Now how can I make sure the guy is showing up? Make sure that the frame of the background is under the main frame of the guy, or put it on the front. Make sure they're aligned, and there we have it. Simply place it right there. And also if you want to change background, especially to make it look like it's streaming if you're gaming, scale it down and place it right there. It's like it's giving tutorial rather, or streaming. And now once you're done here, basically it's good to go. Fix the edit, cut it out right here to make sure everything is good. Just cut here. I think this is good enough for now. Let me just cut it right there and delete this one, and now I can export. Simply click on export right there and you'll be good to go. Now as promised, I'm gonna show you which website I got this background. So I got them from Pexels, and this is gonna be the website. There are a lot of websites out there, but some of them has virus, some of them has some bug or corruption. But for me, I fully trust Pexels because you can choose by photos or videos. If you don't want this one, there is one more. It's gonna be Pixabay. Let me just load it up. So this is gonna be Pixabay. Now for Pixabay, they have images, they have photos, illustrations, vectors right here, videos, music, sound effects, GIFs or GIFs, and even users. Everything here is royalty free. They're free to use, but there is an option that you can donate to the author as a patron. Anyway, that being said, this is the website I use to get some vectors or some material to use. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.